Old school time clock versus a simple NFC tag. Which one's the best way to track employees' time? Grab a calculator because these numbers are crazy. First, the clock itself runs around $400 to $650. Add power and network wiring, and that's another $500 before you even turn it on. Then comes the 6 a.m. bottleneck. So a 5-minute line for 10 employees wastes 18 labor hours. That's $900 down the drain every single month for just 10 employees. Add in maintenance and manually cleaning up missed punches before payroll, and this time saver becomes your full-time job. But here's the craziest number. Biometric privacy laws like BIPA can make a single paperwork mistake trigger fines up to $5,000 per employee. And this is not an empty threat. White Castle just paid a $10 million settlement over this exact thing. But with Connecteam's NFC, these costs just don't exist. How? One, it's simply just a sticker. There's no hardware to install or fix. Two, no biometric data saved means no legal risk. And three, your team taps the clock in just like Apple Pay, and boom, their hours drop straight into clear timesheets that sync directly to your payroll provider. Oh, and if they forgot to clock out, the app's GPS does it for them automatically. And the cost? Starting at just $29 a month for the first 30 users. So stop relying on machines that hold you back and upgrade to a more efficient way to track time.